Take a ride in the 2010 Chevy Impala. The Impala has been one of America's favorites for over 50 years. Enough said. And is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, front wheel drive, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors, power brakes. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.